Hi everyone! Today, we will show you how to install a balloon backdrop for Jim Darcy's Holy Communion. In this project, we use two panel backdrop which is 7 feet tall and the other is 6 feet tall. We also used a 24-inch navy blue, gold chrome 12-inch, gold chrome 9-inch, Sandask 11-inch, Sandask 24-inch, and 5-inch balloon. Because our client requests to have lights and LED lights, so we will try to achieve those requests. To make it easier for us, before we install the balloon, we make it sure that we make an 8 feet tall balloon garlands and then we attach into the backdrop. While I'm installing the balloon garlands, at the same time, my husband is installing the LED light. After I done the 8 feet balloon garland, I also make a 7 feet tall balloon garland on the other side. After I attach the two balloon garlands, I also add mini balloons to make it fuller and to make it more beautiful. To transfer the Jim Darcy balloon cutouts, we also used the paint green tape so that it's easier for us to attach on the backdrop. We also used the fishing line to hang the Holy Cup cutouts. We also hide the wire inside the balloon, and later on we will on this one to achieve the looks that they want. To achieve the looks that they want. After we're done installing everything, we also put two gold pins in front. Here is the outcome of our DIY balloon backdrop for Jim Darcy's Holy Communion. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe JB Market Letters Decor, or visit our Instagram page at www.instagram.com/JBMarketLettersDecor. Thank you so much.